If not because Ghana be brea, and I would say we should force John Mahama to keep giving the money to the headmasters. John Mahama, His Excellency, during the campaign, and Oka say, so Oba Abaimwa, a president. One thing now be any say, buffer stock a company that does the sourcing of food items for our various senior high schools. No, buffer stock no, or no John Mahama, he will not use the buffer stock. He will collapse that company, and he will give money to our headmasters to go to the marketplaces themselves, okay, to go and buy food. And under John Mahama, His Excellency, we are expecting the headmasters, baby, you are welcome. We'll pick money, go to Amasamai market, go and buy goat, go and buy kontomire, go and buy gari and stuff for students. That is a promise John Mahama, His Excellency, gave to headmasters. Now, and them say already, Ghana Hano, many headmasters were really taking advantage of students. And the free senior high school buy na umeni and jikra, because free senior high school came to take away money, collection of money in schools. It took away that. Akufo-Addo said there be every child that wants to go to school should go to the school. If you want to ask for any money, ask for the money from government. Okacheche said, God bless you, thank you so much, amen. That's what Akufo-Addo came to do. And because of that, a lot of headmasters did not like it. They did not like it at all. Now, whilst this is being said, they rather started playing some tricks. They would be granting media interviews and school to make it look, Auntie Josephine, please, how are you doing? To make it look like things were bad in the senior high school and our food is expired and all those things. Just to deceive Ghanaians. Right? Oh, thanks for those gifting. Just to deceive Ghanaians. And many Ghanaians fell for it. In fact, not many Ghanaians, some Ghanaians fell for it. Because today I sat down and I was analyzing the whole election thing, AyΕka so. And after my analysis, I realized, I'm not supposed to even be disappointed. I'm not supposed to be sad. Because look, less than 1/5 of Ghanaians voted for NDC. Yes. Less than 1/5 of Ghanaians voted for NDC. Because Ghana, no, our population is over 33 million. 33 million. Now, say, out of 33 million, NIPA 6 million go and vote for NDC. It is less than 1/5. Okay? Less than 1/5 of Ghanaians. And it means that Ghana, no, over the whole country, now, uchayemu into 5 parts. 5-parter. Only one like this voted for NDC. User, how are you doing? So I realized, it was not even as though it is anything that unheard of, NDC is enjoying anything. So, less than 1/5 of Ghanaians voted for them. Less than 1/5. So they cannot even unilaterally make decisions, say, person must sign a constitution and all those things, because when it gets there, the remaining 4/5 of Ghanaians who have not made their voices heard, including people who are under 18, they will arise. They will be like, no, you can't do that. You don't have the power, the right to do that. Now, back to our headmasters. First 4 months, John Mahama started giving money to the headmasters through Haruna Idrisu to go to the market. Now, a notice has come out. Government says, no, you ain't doing this anymore. We are no longer going to give money to the headmasters to go to the Amasamai market, to go to Home Market, to go to Accra Market, that's Tudu, to go to wherever, Kumasi Market and Co, to go and buy food and come and give to the student any longer. I'm saying, Debbie, now everything back to central government. Baby's laughing. Yes, everything back to central government. You see Sankofa and is it Yenchi, and I say Yenchi. I say Sankofa Yenchi. Best Bride says a very brilliant submission. Thank you so much, Bright. Right? Auntie Joseph say AyƐka ankasa. I feel that your mama government say they don't do again. Omo na omo di omo akofa masema but say they omo pay bio. Now headmaster say this come omo scan no omo dey akoto cement. Yeah, this can my headmaster say Skyway. Yeah, user 7 years. Yeah, I'm here. Right? Yeah, this can my headmaster say omunko market na omunko to aponchi. Anaze kusia. Scan omu koto cement any ayo road na mko si omu dai omu village. And there's this term I think aspiring that likes using it. Voice ye na say yaba. Something like that. Alaji Ralph says that God bless you. Amen. I said, you know, a lot of people are blessing me. Eh? Just 4 months. So you see, sometimes when someone is doing something, you must be quiet and you learn. You think Akufo-Addo, who brought free senior high school, Akufo-Addo, who sat down from 2008 and started talking about free senior high school, you, John Mahama, you will know better than Akufo-Addo when it comes to implementation of free senior high school. Are you kidding me? That is a joke. There is no way. Obia what dream about education to think, say, I must give Ghanaians education free. In fact, who John Mahama Krano, who now can say it's not possible before it will happen 20 years after. The person comes, does it in his first year, and suddenly, you, your mama, think you know better than Akufo-Addo. You can do free senior high school better. User 7 say it is the work of karma that is hitting the headmasters right in the face. I side with you. Akufo-Addo knew why he made it central. The distribution of food, he knew why he made it central. For Buffer Stock to be in charge of that. Obia oye business behind himself koto are there in bulk. It comes with benefits. And yes, sir, businessmen, women are here. Baby and their likes are here. If you are going to buy something pieces, and someone is going for wholesaler, nipa okoto wholesale, you get it at a cheaper price. And he said, if we have Buffer Stock that buys all those food items and all, and then sends it to the schools, it will be cheaper than every single school going to the market themselves. Emmanuel say, AyΕka. It will be cheaper. But because John Mahama himself believes in corruption, in a way they say, Ndudu vivivo, because he believes in corruption, because he himself is corrupt. So he will always bring in policies that will help people to be corrupt. Anka, how do you tell me, say, headmasters should be the ones going? Hey, now, those of us who went to senior high school when there was no free senior high school, remember how bezels and headmasters would connive and be billing students anyhow, be chopping people's monies? Hey, headmaster, we are now a 5-bedroom apartment to a baby. But you know, sending sick and his salary out to me, Gino, it should not be able to afford him that 5-bedroom. 4 months. Now you are going back on your word. Say Debbie, Munyebio. See, you will do it, Papa. And teacher, now you are welcome. We will force. Sometimes when you are even saying this, you feel pity for Ghana because in the end, Ghana never break. You even feel pity for Ghana because in the end, Ghana never break. Best Bride says that he has launched a corrupt code of conduct. Yeah, I'm coming to that. That is where I'm coming, Ankasa. Relax for me. That is where I'm coming. I'm coming to the code of conduct. Sorry. And now we should give them pressure to keep giving the money to the headmasters. What do you think? Let me know in the comment section. I think the headmasters should keep taking the money. Now this kama headmasters okoto garia, this kanu okoto cement near your road. Who will you blame? And you be always say, so now who cause eh? User 7, I say, bulk buy him reduces cost. Baby says no. No, but no, you see, sometimes people must learn it the hard way. People must learn it the hard way. Just say, yes, I agree. We should give them pressure to keep giving the money to the headmasters. So that the children themselves, they will suffer and know that 2028 you must go and vote for MPP. But sometimes we cannot keep. In the end, it's Ghana that suffers. In the end, they would. So if now they have come back to their senses, I couldn't point it in a long time. Now they've come back to their senses to realize, say, it was a wrong move. They shouldn't have even suggested that in the first place. I think better late than never. So now let's move to the code of conduct.